rallied to the party, means many young writers and the artists became the member of the Bolshevik party, because this party was seen as a symbol for socialism and for change in Russia. So that is why most of the young people in Russia were very fond of this Bolshevik party. Now here you can see, means in a very few time, very less time, the Bolshevik party gained its popularity and maximum people were the member of the Bolshevik party. Children, here you can see, this is Budanovka. This is Budanovka cap, about which I told you this was a new type of uniform designed for the army by the Bolshevik government. This is the Budanovka. This is a special type of cap. Here you can see, and this image is given in your NCERT book also. And here you can see this is a symbol of Bolshevik party, and he is Vladimir Lenin. This is a socialist symbol of socialist party. Now, as Bolshevik party got its popularity in a very less time, but very soon the people had the people those who had the dream to see the changes in Russia, their dreams were disillusioned because of the censorship by the party encouraged. Means those who became the member in a very less time, gradually they turned against this party, because the government or this Bolshevik party promote or use censorship. Censorship means to put a ban on freedom of speech and expression. So when the censorship was imposed by the government, so the people came to know about the dictating attitude of the government, and gradually most of the people started turning against this government action. And some of the people were also opposed just when he ordered for the land redistribution. So in this way, again within the party there were the number of groups, and there were the number of groups, and this this was the beginning of the civil war. Means within the country only number of people were divided into different groups, and all they turned against the Bolshevik actions, and this promoted the civil war in Russia. So these were few reasons. When the Bolsheviks ordered land redistribution, the Russian army began to break up. Like Russian army, many of the people from Russian army were socialist, were Bolsheviks. When the Bolsheviks were creating discontent against the Menshevik government, so that time they supported Bolsheviks. But this time when the Bolshevik government came into power and ordered for the land redistribution, some of the army members were dissatisfied and started leaving the government or the Bolshevik group, because most of the soldiers were peasants, those who were in army, and those soldiers were, most of the soldiers basically were the peasants, and they wanted to go home for the redistribution of the lands. In this way the Bolshevik group started being deserted, मीन्स धीरे धीरे वो खाली होना शुरू हो गया, एक एक करके जो मेंबरशिप लेफ्ट होना शुरू हो गए. Non-Bolshevik socialists, liberals and supporters of autocracy condemned the Bolshevik uprising. Those who were non-Bolshevik socialists means Menshevik people, liberals and the supporters of autocracy, all they criticized the Bolshevik uprising or actions. They formed their troops and were called Greens, which would fight against Bolshevik. In Russia, civil war was fought between three groups. the combined forces of greens and whites, and the other party was red. Red, actually they were the Bolsheviks, and this was a uniform designed by the Bolshevik for the army, and they were wearing red color uniform. So that is why all the Bolsheviks were known as red. All non-Bolshevik socialists like Menshevik and other socialist people were known as the Greens, because they were wearing such type of dress. And those who were supporters of Tsar or the autocracy, all they were had their dresses like white, and they were known as whites. So non-Bolsheviks formed their troops and were known as Greens to fought against Bolshevik. The other group, the pro-Tsar whites, controlled most of the Russian Empire. Pro-Tsar